Hey y'all, it is Queen Meek and I am back reporting live from the couch. Say hello. Okay. So I wanted to touch on black people, black brothers and sisters, aunties, all this stuff sticking together. One thing I noticed when I was working one time, I basically told this dude, don't ever disrespect black people in front of anybody else, like outside of our race, because they gonna get comfortable, and they gonna feel like, okay, if he's comfortable enough to speak down on his people in front of me, then I can do it. There's no excuse, right? So a message that I wanted to put out there was that I wouldn't belittle my people at all in front of company, and that's anyone outside of the black race. I would never try to do that. I joke a lot, but on serious stuff, I would never try to put my black brothers and sisters, my family members, nothing like that down online. I may roast you in a group chat or something like that, but I will never disrespect you, because I feel like other people will get comfortable, and then we will have a problem. Yeah. So I just had to throw that out there, because I see a lot of stuff going on with people um, not loving them black selves and talking bad and down on other black people as if, we not the same, you know. Um, so yeah, in front of company, we're gonna do all that, but behind closed doors, yes, whatever happens in this house stays in this house, basically. Okay, so I just had to drop that. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.